Check out this Arm & Hammer Sensitive Skin Washing Detergent. Hey there, it's Kevin, and I do honest and unbiased reviews and really hope you'll give this video a thumbs up if it helps you out. Now, I've been looking for some detergent that is not too rough on my clothes because I do have some sensitive skin, and this actually does the trick. There is no fragrance in this at all. It's free and clear and hypoallergenic as well. There are no dyes, no perfumes, none of that whatsoever. And if you look at the consistency of it, it is clear. Now this is very gentle on skin, and it really just helps with any rough edges that might come from detergent. The cup that comes on the top is pretty large if you look at it, so there are several different loads that you can use with this detergent. It actually recommends to pre-treat your wash as well. If you have some wash that you need to get like stains out of, you just apply the detergent before you start your wash, and then it'll likely come out afterwards. So I hope you enjoyed this review, and I'll see you next time.